Hello guys, I wanted to come in with a really adorable November Club Couture project. Now if you don't know about the club, make sure to let me know. I love this program. It's kind of like an exclusive VIP program. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take our brand new 9x9 box frame. I glued a couple of glue dots on the inside so that way I can change out those lights seasonally or just remove them if I want. This is so cool because one side of the back is brown and one side of the back is white. Plus, of course, you can get these little backings replaced, or you can even cover them with scrap paper. So these surfaces, although they're not made to be reusable, they totally are. So I'm going to go ahead. Is this snowman not the cutest? I am going to kind of put those music note backgrounds on the backgrounds. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to chalk around the snowman because I'm going to do something really cool with him in a minute. And I'm going to go all the way around anywhere where I see those music notes. And I'm just going to take our black ink and I'm just going to cover it in. Then I'm going to remove it. That backing is done. You can do more if you want. You can do less if you want. It don't matter. Now using that same exact transfer, I'm going to take that simple shape that is included in your Club Couture kit this month. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some meadow, some candy apple red, I'm using black, and I'm using just a little bit of shimmer copper. You don't really need to use the shimmer copper, you couldn't really tell, but I decided to use it anyway. And I am just going to fill him in. Now I'm going to do all the shading in black. I'm going to do the hat and the bird, I think it's a cardinal, in red. And then I'm going to do the greenery in the meadow. Now I came into his nose and I wanted it more of an orange. You can absolutely use orange peel if you have any left over from Halloween, or shimmer copper, or again just red. It's such a small piece that you couldn't even tell. So now I'm going to come in and work the finer details. That's the nose, the mouth, and then the little holly jollies up on top. You can even get even more creative with this and do the berries in red and the leaves in green. You could do it all in black and it looks fabulous. I will show you that later on this month. So there he is, a couple different layers. I am then going to just spritz some fine white glitter on him just to give him a little extra shimmer. So I'm going to go ahead and dump that out, then I'm going to shake him off, and because that paste is wet, that glitter will stick right to him. So that's easy peasy, that's all done. So now what we're going to do is we're actually going to work, if you see there, I have that front acetate. Now keep in mind that it does look kind of frosted when you first get it because there is a coating on it. Just take that, it's like a protective sheet, just take it right off. So now I'm going to go around the pieces that I have not done yet, which is the tree, and there's little accents on the corner. And I'm going to fill those in with Shimmer Frost. Now because this is on that acrylic piece for the front, it's like the front casing of the frame, it's going to look etched at the end. Okay, so I'm going to stick my lights back down. I just picked these lights up at the Dollar Tree. I really liked putting the glue dots on the side because that way I can take this back off. Again, I can remove the lights if I want to, but nothing really gets in the way. So as you can see, I just slide that right back on. Oops, I did it sideways, but I promise nobody will ever know except for you guys. Oh, excuse the headshot. Then I'm going to apply that clear acetate that we just put the Shimmer Frost on. That's the front of your shadow box. I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to snap that right back in, just like a picture frame, guys. Okay, and there it is. How stinking cute is that? Wait for it. Oh yeah, we have the simple shape as well. So what I'm going to do, you can put him on the front if you want. I'm going to tuck him behind my lights. That's where I like him to go. Oh, it looks so great. Now to finish this piece off, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take some ribbon that I had in my stash, as well as this really cute Christmas bell thing that I got from the Dollar Tree. It's all one piece, I swear to you, and it just clips right on. You can see it there. Now, as I show you these pieces, you can't see that clip anymore, but it was so totally worth it. I picked that up again at the Dollar Tree. Here it is all lit up. Isn't it gorgeous? And here it is because it was kind of hard to see lit up. So there it is, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I really hope you enjoyed. Do give our shadow boxes a try.